Hey guys, hope you all doing well. Welcome to my channel Fox on Wheels. In today's video we're going to discuss about the front windshield which I changed it some months back, and how much it costed me, where did I change. We'll discuss everything. Watch the video till end. So guys, the reason I changed the windshield is one day I was driving on the highway and a small stone came and hit the windshield. It made a crack, as you can see on the picture. Also there was a lot of minor scratches on the windshield. In the night time it was difficult to drive because it's a 10-year-old Polo, and I decided to change the windshield. I contacted the Volkswagen authorized service center and I inquired about the price. They told me that it will cost me around 8,000 rupees. I felt it is a little high, and I also tried to contact some other dealers and all, and I finally got a contact which is Windshield Trust. Then I visited there. They showed me the windshield. Also they showed me the OEM mark, ISI marks and all. So I decided to change the windshield, and you can see on the picture this is the windshield which I changed, and they started the process and all. Unfortunately I couldn't record the video. The work was very professional, and they took 30 minutes to replace the windshield. They also accept the insurance and all. If you have cash you can pay the cash and replace the windshield. If you have insurance then you can cover the insurance. If you're covering the insurance then it will take a little time because the clearance and all will be there. So I paid cash and I replaced it. The work was very professional. It took 30 minutes, and they also suggest me to park the vehicle for 24 to 48 hours minimum. So I followed their suggestion. So finally I replaced the windshield and it was good. It been 1 year. I think it's been 1 year. There is no any kind of problem. There is no any kind of leakage and all. The glue which they used was very good. They showed me the glue, and they informed me that it's a really good glue. There will be no any issue. So I was very satisfied with the service. As you can see on the screen, they have 5 ratings. You can see they have a 5 out of 5 ratings, which is really good. So you can trust. There are a lot of customers who have rated, you can see. So let me show you from the outside how the windshield looks. Let me show you from the outside. You can see the ISI marks and all here. And here you will get the chassis number. Now let me talk about the price. It costed me 6,000 rupees, guys. In the service center they told me it will cost 8,000 rupees. So in the Windshield Trust I changed it for 6,000 rupees. So that's it. It was quite a good experience. If you are located in Bangalore, then you can definitely visit there. If you have any crack or something, if you want to replace the windshield, then you can visit the Windshield Trust. I will add the location in the description. So that's it, guys. I will meet you all in my next video. In my last video I showed you all how to change this halogen cabin bulb to LED bulb. If you haven't watched the video, then the video is available on the screen now. You can watch it. Meet you all in my next video. Till that, take care.